today's fast-paced world, movement is everything. Isaac Newton said that a body in motion, well, then that stays in motion. And the folks at tspheres, well, they health-heartedly agree. Now, there's a lot of other massage balls and items, frankly doodads out there. But what separates the tspheres is they're made from a unique rubber compound designed to work with the muscle tissue and infused with natural aromatherapy oils. These oils, they not only smell great, but they work positively with all the body's natural functions. Dancers have known for ages that rolling on tennis balls relieves knots in your muscles and opens up your trigger points. The tspheres are specifically designed to meet these needs. But between the special compound and the aromatherapy oils, well, they're taking it to a whole other level. You see, a rock star massage therapist with over 25 years in the business took an old idea and made it even better. Because when you think about it, why would you treat problems caused by overactivity with inactivity? Just roll with it. This wonderful little travel product is always on the go. Planes, trains, automobiles, you name it. tspheres is always ready. And clearly they're not just for dancers. It's for anyone who wants to take care of themselves because they deserve it. You see, tspheres, they know you work hard. And sometimes in life, you just don't get a moment to stop. Not a stage cue, kids.
Oh, sorry.
Because only you can take care of you. And I have a feeling the world needs you. Life's gonna get stressful. And at the end of the day, all you can do, just roll with it.